Have you ever noticed the satisfying sounds of cleaning, water rushing over surfaces, the gentle scrape of a sponge, the soft clicks of plastic toys? It's oddly calming, isn't it? This is the magic of cleaning, especially when it comes to our beloved food toys. Cleaning these miniature culinary treasures is more than just a chore. It's a mindful act of restoring order and sparking joy. It's an opportunity to engage our senses and experience the deeply satisfying world of ASMR. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's a tingling sensation, often described as brain tingles or head orgasms triggered by specific sounds and visuals. For many, the sounds of cleaning, particularly the gentle repetitive sounds of washing food toys, are powerful ASMR triggers. Imagine the soft splashing of water as you submerge a toy pizza slice in a basin, the gentle squeaking of a sponge against a plastic hot dog bun. These seemingly mundane sounds can evoke a sense of deep calm and relaxation. Our miniature chefs love to play with their food toys. They whip up imaginary feasts and serve them with pride. But just like real kitchens, toy kitchens can become messy. Crumbs gather in the corners, sticky spills linger on surfaces. It's important to keep these play spaces clean and hygienic. Cleaning food toys is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a safe and healthy environment for play. Regular cleaning prevents the buildup of germs and bacteria that can make children sick. Plastic food toys, with their smooth surfaces and satisfying clicks, are a treasure trove of ASMR triggers. Each piece, from the tiny toy hamburger to the miniature plastic fruits, holds a unique sound and texture that can be incredibly soothing. The process of cleaning them becomes a symphony of satisfying sounds. It's not just about getting them clean, it's about the journey, the experience, and the sensory delight that comes with each step. Fill a basin with warm, soapy water. The warmth of the water combined with the gentle bubbles creates a calming atmosphere, setting the stage for the cleaning ritual. The sound of the water filling the basin is the opening note of this cleaning concerto. It's a gentle, flowing melody that invites you to immerse yourself in the task at hand. Pick up a toy hamburger, feel its weight in your hand, the smoothness of the plastic, and the intricate details that make it look almost real. Run your fingers over its surface, feeling the texture. Notice the tiny ridges and grooves that give it character. The gentle friction creates a soft whispering sound. It's a delicate, almost secretive noise that adds to the overall sensory experience. Grab a sponge and begin to gently scrub. The sponge's texture against the plastic creates a unique sound, a mix of squeaks and rustles that is incredibly satisfying. The squeak of the sponge against the plastic is pure ASMR bliss. Each squeak is like a note in a melody, contributing to the overall symphony of cleaning sounds. As you continue to scrub, let yourself be fully present in the moment, enjoying the simple pleasure of transforming something dirty into something clean. Section 5. The delight of washing dishes. Toy dishes, from miniature teacups to tiny plates, offer their own unique ASMR experience. These tiny replicas, often used in dollhouses or as children's playthings, have a charm of their own. The delicate nature of these items invites a gentle touch, making the process of handling them almost meditative. The clinking of these miniature dishes as they are submerged in water is music to the ears. Each sound is distinct, creating a symphony of delicate notes that can be incredibly soothing. The way the water envelops each piece, creating tiny bubbles and ripples, adds to the sensory experience. The smooth, curved surfaces are a delight to clean. The tactile sensation of running your fingers over these tiny, perfectly shaped dishes can be surprisingly satisfying. It's a moment of mindfulness where you can focus solely on the task at hand, feeling the texture and contours of each piece. Imagine the gentle scraping sound as you remove a bit of dried Play-Doh from a toy plate. This action, though simple, can be incredibly gratifying. The sound of the spatula against the surface, the slight resistance as the Play-Doh comes off, and the clean plate left behind all contribute to a sense of accomplishment. The soft squish of the sponge as you squeeze out excess water. This action not only cleans the dishes but also provides a sensory pleasure. The feeling of the sponge compressing in your hand, the sight of the soapy water dripping down, and the sound of the water being expelled all combine to create a moment of pure, simple joy. These simple actions, combined with the gentle sounds, create a sense of calm and satisfaction. Washing toy dishes may seem like a trivial task, but it can be a form of therapy. It allows you to slow down, focus on the present moment, and find joy in the small everyday actions. The repetitive nature of the task, the soothing sounds, and the tactile sensations all work together to create a peaceful, meditative experience. Section 6. The all-important rinse. The rinsing process is the grand finale of our food toy cleaning ASMR experience. The sound of clean water cascading over the toys, washing away soap suds and leaving them sparkling clean, is deeply satisfying. Listen closely as the water droplets cling to the plastic, creating a gentle tinkling sound. This is the moment of peak ASMR, a culmination of all the gentle sounds and tactile sensations we've experienced throughout the cleaning process. It's a moment of pure sensory delight. Section 7. The satisfaction of clean. As you arrange the freshly cleaned food toys on a towel to dry, take a moment to appreciate the sense of accomplishment. Each piece, now free from dust and grime, gleams with a renewed vibrancy. The simple act of cleaning has transformed these toys, making them look almost new again. The toys are now spotless, ready for countless more imaginary meals and culinary adventures. Imagine the joy and creativity they will inspire in your child. Each clean piece is a blank canvas for their imagination, ready to be part of a new story or game. The kitchen is tidy, a haven of peace and order. Everything has its place, and the sense of chaos has been replaced with calm. This organized space not only looks inviting, but also encourages more focused and enjoyable playtime. But the benefits of this cleaning ritual extend beyond the physical realm. It's a shared experience that brings you and your child closer together. The act of cleaning and organizing becomes a bonding activity filled with laughter and teamwork. The ASMR experience has left you feeling relaxed, calm, and centered. The gentle sounds of water and the rhythmic motions of cleaning have a soothing effect, creating a moment of tranquility in your day. This peaceful state of mind is a gift you give to yourself. It's a reminder that even the most mundane tasks can be opportunities for mindfulness and joy. Embrace these moments and let them enrich your daily life. The satisfaction of clean is not just about the end result, but also about the journey and the memories you create along the way. Section 8. Spark joy with clean toys. As you tidy up the last of the cleaning supplies, remember the joy that these simple toys bring to children. Cleaning them is an act of love, a way to ensure that they continue to spark joy and inspire creativity for years to come. The next time you find yourself facing a mountain of dirty dishes, real or imaginary, embrace the opportunity. Turn on the tap, grab a sponge, and allow yourself to get lost in the soothing world of ASMR. Section 9. Share your favorite food toys. Do you have a favorite food toy that brings back fond memories of childhood? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's relive the joy of pretend play and appreciate the simple pleasures of cleaning. Section 10. Explore the world of ASMR. If you found the sounds of cleaning food toys relaxing, I encourage you to explore the vast world of ASMR. From whispering voices to the crinkling of paper, there's an ASMR trigger out there for everyone. Embrace the tingles and discover the power of sound to soothe your mind and bring you joy.